Where do you seek shelter if you have a tornado warning and a flash flood warning at the same time? This is actually a really difficult question to answer, because both are serious threats that require exact opposite forms of seeking shelter. But I think it's important to talk about because it happens about 400 times in the United States every year. But where should you seek shelter? To be honest, there isn't a great answer, but here's what I would suggest. First, it's important to remember that flash flooding normally occurs before a tornado. And when you're seeking shelter from a tornado, be hyper aware of what type of shelter you're choosing. I would stay away from things like culverts and drainage ditches. Those are likely going to fill up in a flash flood, and unfortunately people have lost their lives because of that. So for me, just to be safe, I would probably avoid seeking shelter underground. You might think if you're in your basement it starts to fill up with water, there's going to be no real current and you can swim or just leave. But if you get trapped by rubble and there's water down there, that could be a really serious problem. So for me, I'd probably choose the innermost windowless room of whatever building I'm in, or another similar shelter. And most importantly, avoid driving while there's flash flooding. The majority of flash flooding fatalities occur when people try to drive through flooded areas. And if you guys have any other suggestions or you disagree, let me know in the comments.